Piny owacho oyango chenro mar pi e skund primary ma Oriwo e Karachuonyo od bura ma Karachuonyo momuonyo omenda maromo milion 15. Chenro mar pigno ma ong'ere kaka Oriwo School Community Water Project oger gi duol ma ochung'ne dongruok e alwora mar Nam Lolwe LBDA kendo dhi konyo jopiny e mieche ma oingo 6,000 e alworano. Jatend migawo ma ochung'ne dongruok mag pinje Afrika ma Ugwe Penina Malonza ne otele nyasi mar chiwo ayanga pigno ne tend skundno kod jogweng' bende.
Kutembea na serikali hii ya leo.
Besides water for drinking and clean water, we are also going to encourage small irrigation for vegetable farms and other uses like watering our small animals like goats. And the mothers told me of the agonies they have suffered for decades, including the fathers.
As a state corporation responsible for implementation of integrated basin-based development programs and projects, we have developed water infrastructure across 18 counties, benefiting over 300,000 households.
And this project, madam, will not only benefit the students of the school, but also the community at large. This school has a population, we have been briefed, of upwards of 500 students. And the households around, we have more than 6,000 households, whom we are going to touch directly and indirectly through the water projects.